Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of accessing the UNISA Exams Portal. Follow this step-by-step guide to ensure that you can log in smoothly and manage your exam-related activities effectively. Step 1. Open your browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a seamless login experience. Step 2. Navigate to the UNISA Exams Portal. In the address bar, type the URL myexams.unisa.ac.za and press Enter. This will take you directly to the UNISA Exams Portal login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Once you are on the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your UNISA student number as your username and your password in the respective fields. Ensure that there are no typos, as this may prevent you from logging in. Step 4. Submit your information. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. The system will process your information, and if your details are correct, you will be granted access to the portal. Step 5. Navigate the portal. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You will find various options related to your exams, including exam schedules, results, and any notifications related to your assessments. Step 6. Log out safely. After you have completed your tasks on the portal, it is important to log out. Look for the Logout option, usually located in the upper corner of the portal. Click it to ensure your account remains secure. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you access the UNISA Exams Portal with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.